Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a 6 a.m. morning routine video. In this video, I will get my workout clothes together, listen to my morning inspiration, get ready to go outside and do some exercises. I will cook breakfast, take a detox drink, and do some cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my chat partners, so let me just say, this AM workout for me was a struggle. It was a struggle, I will be honest with you guys, because I have not worked out in like 2 months. And this was the first time I worked out in a long time. And let me just say, I really had to push myself to do this workout. It's just a lot been going on lately, guys, and I will update you guys in a future video. But yeah, guys, so I did go outside. I did get me some fresh air, some natural vitamin D, and I did do a workout. I didn't push myself as hard as I should have, and my workout should have been longer, but you know what? I did the best I could. Guys, as you all can see, I need a waist trainer, so I have to order me another waist trainer. And also, it's some other things that I need to order as well, so I can get back in the groove of working out. So yeah, guys, I really do hope you enjoy this portion of the video. Guys, I have hit 1,000 subscribers, and my goal is to hit 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, and you did click on this video, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and go check out some of my other videos. And to everyone that is subscribed to my channel and supports me, I really do appreciate you guys' support. You all rock. Beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoy my 6 a.m. morning routine. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload, and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.